Guys, welcome back to another video. Nathan Does Vids here, and today in this video we are going ziplining up in the mountains here in Colorado. We're also taking a train today, so it's going to be a fun-filled day. I got my mask on, I'm ready to go. Let's go. It's like, I don't know, 7:45 in the morning here. Can't wait to get going. Let's go.
It does belong to the top of the Rockies zipline company. Top of the Rockies does run up here pretty much daily. Now coming up, you will notice that top of the Rockies zipline goes right over the top of our train tracks.
Right there. It's gonna go right over the train a little bit later.
Because he was 7 feet 9 inches tall. Now Mr. Longlegs Larry was testing up the zipline for them that day. Having a great old time when he got to that wire that goes over the train tracks there. He jumped on that platform and he quickly found out that that zipline had not been properly tensioned. There was too much slack on the line.
Okay guys, so we just got off the train, so now we're gonna go on the zip line. It is like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we passed by it on the train. But yeah, I brought my GoPro with me, so I'm gonna hold it with me or put it on my chest. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Can't wait. Let's go.
I didn't want to have to walk past you.
Oh yeah, go ahead. That's what I was waiting for. I was waiting. I thought you were gonna go. Sorry.
All right. Just watch your heads up there. Those rails are a little short. For this one?
Definitely.
Right there.
Not a proven fact, but use that enthusiasm to send you all the way down. Oh, your marks!
Yes, I go!
Watch your head. There we go. Here you are, sir. Right on down through the middle. Oh no! There it is. Woo! How was it?
Great.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Want your head other side for me, buddy? 4.
Number 5. One more to go.
They didn't tell you guys about the marriage, did they? You recording?
I am.
Oh man, you're lucky I didn't hook you up wrong. Usually if I know someone's recording me, it makes me really nervous. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, zip! Head on the other side of me.
Last one.
Alright, so maybe you can get down after this and then we can throw this dagger.
Alright, zip it on 3, 2, 1.
So that, guys, was ziplining for the day. It is actually 1 in the morning right now. I forgot to do an outro earlier, but there's actually a massive wildfire a few miles that way. We are getting all the smoke here in this town. It's burned over 58,000 acres, they said. So anyways, tomorrow we're going to do some mountain bike riding, so stay tuned for that in the coming days. So yeah, hope you liked that video. A lot of different, ziplining around here. Go check out my last year's video that I did, zipline in Leadville, Colorado, where we went over 300 feet in elevation to over like a pass. But anyways, please like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, do whatever you want with this video. I'm trying to catch my breath. This is so hard with the altitude and the fire. And do whatever you want with this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.